So one of the things that probably gets overlooked as a professional angler, or even just someone that's gonna tow your snowmobile trailer in the winter, or whether you have even jet skis and you're towing trailers all over the country or to different areas of your state, is maintenance on your vehicle, on your tow rig. And my tow rig is right behind us. It's a diesel pickup truck, 3/4 ton. Actually, Corey Springle and myself, we have the exact same truck. We use the exact same products for maintenance on our trucks. And whether you're a gas or a diesel owner, it doesn't matter. Schaeffer's Oil has a product for you. This is actually the 15W Sin Shield diesel oil that I use for my regular changes on my diesel pickup truck. And then one of the products that I always carry with me, whether it's summer or winter, this is the summer blend. There's also a winter blend as well too, is the Diesel Treat 2000. It's something that I just add to it to make sure that that fuel system is running as clean as possible. From different gas station to different gas station, you don't know exactly what you're gonna get. So I always like to use that additive that will just make sure that I know I'm running the best style diesel that I can. And that's one of the things. So Schaeffer's Oil, whether you are looking for your tow vehicle, whether you're looking for your snowmobile, whether you're looking for your outboard motor on your boat, they have products that will make things run as good as they possibly can and extend the longevity in all your different toys.